Hello everyone, my name is Arjun and you are watching Law Informants channel. Guys, today in this video, we'll discuss some important articles of a constitution. The most important articles include the basic rights given by the Constitution of India, which are fundamental rights. This is also known as Magna Carta of Indian Constitution. So let's start discussing all the important articles one by one. These rights are only applicable against the state, and the Article 12 defines the state and includes the central government, state government, and the other local authorities and all the institutions owned and managed by the state. Article 13. Article 13 states that any law which is not as per fundamental rights shall be void to that extent. Article 14. Equality before the law. This article states that state shall treat everyone equally, and when there is not a level playing field, then with equity. Article 15. Article 15 prohibits discrimination on grounds of religion, race, caste, sex, or place of birth. As the heading suggests, it prohibits discrimination on the above ground only. For example, when there is a law that says that only one person of a particular religion and race will be eligible, but this is not falling under this article because it has two things, that are religion and race, and not just only one of them. Article 15, subsection 4, which was added by the first amendment, it started reservation for scheduled caste and scheduled tribe in the public educational institutions. Article 16. Article 16 states that there shall be equality of opportunities in matters of public employment or appointment. Article 17. Article 17 abolishes untouchability and makes it an offence. Article 18. Article 18 abolition of titles. No title shall be conferred to any person by state except academic or of a military distinction. Article 20. Article 20 states protection in respect of conviction of offences. The legislature cannot make a law which provides for punishment of acts which were completed before the date when it came into force. This means that a new law cannot punish an old act. No person should be prosecuted and punished for the same offence for more than once. No person shall be compelled to be a witness against himself means that investigators cannot force him to confess about having committed a crime. Article 21. Article 21 says no person shall be deprived for his life or his liberty except under the procedure established by law, and that procedure has not to be arbitrary. Article 21A specially provides for the right to education. Article 22. Article 22 gives protection against arrest and detention in certain cases, right to be informed of the offence as soon as possible, right to be produced before a magistrate within 24 hours, right to be defended by a legal practitioner of his choice. Article 23. Article 23 prohibits forced labor, including a beggar, and it also prohibits human trafficking and makes it an offence punishable as per the law. Article 24. Article 24 prohibits child labor. No child who is below the age of 14 years shall be compelled to work in a factory or a mine or at any hazardous place. Article 25. According to Article 25, all persons shall have a fundamental right to protest, practice, and propagate their religion. Article 29. Article 29 states protection of interest of minorities or rights of minorities. Any section of the citizens residing in the territory of India having a distinct language, script, or sculpture of its own shall have a right to conserve the same. Article 32. Article 32 states right to constitutional remedies. If the fundamental right gets violated, then the person can directly approach to the Supreme Court, and the court can issue a writ of habeas corpus, mandamus, certiorari, prohibition, or quo warranto. Article 39A. Article 39A states equal justice and free legal aid to ensure that opportunities for securing justice are not denied to any citizen because of economic or other disabilities. The state must provide free legal aid to certain people. Article 40. Article 40 provides for the organization of village, panchayat, or the grassroots level democracy. Article 44. Article 44 states uniform civil code for the citizens. This provides the regulation of non-religious aspect of the personal law like laws related to marriage, divorce or inheritance having a uniform set of code throughout the territory of India. Article 48. Organization of Agriculture and Animal Husbandry. This prohibits cows slaughter. However, the state legislature has the power to make laws on the prohibition of cow slaughter. Now we'll discuss some articles related to President of India. Article 52. Article 52 provides that there shall be a President of India establishing the post of President. Article 53. Article 53 states executive power of the Union. This article provides that the President has the executive power of the Union. Article 54. Article 54 provides for the election of the President and the Electoral College, which shall consist of elected members for both the Houses of Parliament and elected members of Legislative Assembly of the state. Article 56. Article 56 term of office of President is provided which is of 5 years from the date of which he enters his office unless the President gives resignation by writing to the Vice President or gets impeached. Article 61. Article 61 provides for the impeachment of the President. Impeachment motion can be started in either of the Houses of Parliament. Article 72 provides for the pardoning power of the President, which he can exercise if the punishment is under Union law by military code or if the punishment is a death sentence. However, Article 74 makes President a nominal head of the state, as it says that the President is bound with the advice of Council of Ministers headed by the Prime Minister. Article 123. The President can pass an ordinance, and an ordinance is a temporary law that is passed when the Parliament is not in session. Article 143. The President has the power to consult the Supreme Court on constitutional matters, and this power is also known as presidential reference. The President also has powers to declare an emergency as given in Article 352, which is national emergency, Article 356 state emergency, and Article 360 financial emergency. Article 63. Article 63 provides for the post of Vice President, and he is also an ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha. That is, any person who is the Vice President will also be chairman of Rajya Sabha. Article 74. Article 74 provides for the Council of Ministers for the Union, and the Council of Ministers shall not exceed 15% of the total members of the House of People. Articles 74 and 75. Articles 74 and 75 provide for the post of Prime Minister. He is normally appointed on the advice of ruling party or the coalition. Article 76. Article 76 provides for the post of Attorney General of India, and he is the topmost lawyer of the Union government. Article 148. Article 148 provides for the post of Comptroller and Auditor General of India. He is also known as Guardian of Public Purse. Now, we'll discuss some articles related to Parliament. Article 79 provides for the Constitution of Parliament. Article 80 provides for the composition of Council of States or Rajya Sabha. 81 provides for the composition of the Houses of People or Lok Sabha. Whenever there is a deadlock between the Houses of Parliament, there is a provision for joint sitting of the Parliament provided under Article 108. Money Bill, which is given under Article 110, it can only be introduced on the recommendation of President and only in Lok Sabha. The annual financial statement is commonly known as the budget and is defined under Article 112. It defines the expected income and expenditure of the Union for a fiscal year. The Election Commission of India was established under Article 354. It looks at the overall matters related to election. The highest appellate court in the country is the Supreme Court of India and is formed under Article 124. It replaces the Federal Court of India. Article 214 says that each state should have a high court not necessary in its territory. Thus, two or more states can share a common high court. Under Article 141, the law declared by the Supreme Court shall be binding on the courts in the territory of India. Governor is a nominal head of the state and his post is given under Article 153. Under Article 333, the governor can nominate 2 Anglo-Indians to the Legislative Assembly. The post of Council of Minister for the states is given under Article 163, and the maximum strength of the Council of Minister can be 15% of the strength of Legislative Assembly. Article 164. Article 164 establishes the post of Chief Minister. Article 199. Article 199 provides for the money bill that is to be introduced on the recommendation of Governor in the Legislative Assembly. Article 165. Article 165 provides for the post of Advocate General. He is the highest lawyer of the state to represent in the case of involving the state government. Article 343 Section 1 and 343 Section 2 states the official language of India, that is Hindi and English respectively. Article 368. Article 368 provides for the amendment to the Constitution. It was inspired by the South African Constitution. Now, these are the articles that we thought are the most important to know by a law researcher or a law student or a common student also. If we have missed something in this video, kindly let us know, guys. Or if you have any query regarding any article, then also please let us know in the comment sections. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching the video, guys. See you next time.